Hello dear students, I am recording this video in order to study a little bit of what we are going to do with these listening skills. The first listening skill we are about to study is understand the speaker's stance. What it is? Well, I have here an example of what it is. It says that sometimes when we used to talk to a person or make a consultation or a question, we usually are going to find how positive or negative or happy or sad or impressed is the speaker. So we have to verify how we can find the way he feels or the way she feels. Here I have this example that is on your exercise of this week, where you are going to find the person who is making a consultation at a chess club. So you might understand how the person feels when he receives the question. For that, we are going to have specific questions that we need to do. So, how to identify the question? Well, first you have to listen again part of this passage, and then you're going to be able to understand what is the attitude, the opinion, or the point of view that the person has, the speaker. We have to select the sentence that best expresses how the speaker feels. And what does he mean or what does she mean? Here we have the process. We need to understand the feelings, emotions. What does he or she say? Then you are going to do or establish your answer by understanding what are your findings. So the way you see it is because you have organized the information and you know how he or she feels. Then, the second skill that we're about to study is pragmatic understanding, that has some relation with the other one that we are studying. In this one, pragmatic understanding refers to a more subtle understanding of the spoken English than the main ideas usually provide in the readings. And this has to do with this word, the function. So, in the listening areas, you're going to find what is the speaker's function or purpose in the reading when he or she says something. So, this type of question usually asks you to understand not just what the speaker said, but why the speaker said it. So, for this second listening skill, you have to make these questions. You have to listen again the passage and you have to understand why does the speaker say this. So it is important for you to understand that he is expressing a purpose and he's also establishing the reasons, the whys. So you need to study those ideas in the passage for you to be able to understand the function. So here we have an analysis or a summary of what we're studying this week. And the first step to make is analyze. Then we have to determine the details to find information, study the language, study the expressions they expose, find the attitudes, the opinions, the points of view, the whys, and the hows. So you have your answers. Keep up with the great work. Thank you for working with me in this course of TOEFL. Thanks.